So the NLP class, we just finished it. Awesome. I think it's a great addition for anyone. Any basic communication, whether you're just talking to your friends, your family, your in-laws, or you're in sales or you actually have your own hypnosis practice. Great class, highly recommended. Actually, we have a hypnosis practice, and we're going to incorporate it with seeing our clients, helping them move forward with the challenges that they face. Everyday problems for everyday ordinary people. Probably all the techniques. I mean, really, the techniques are kind of the magic in the course. Those are the things that enable you to actually watch and help people move forward. The submodality work is definitely good for increasing your level of communication, but being able to take that information and then apply it using the techniques was very, very helpful.